Hey guys, I'm Emma Ryan, Integrative Nutrition Health Coach and founder and owner of Plant. And today we're making some crispy and spiced chickpeas. I love to add these to salads, to bowls, to all sorts of stuff, but particular salads is my favorite way to incorporate these. So I have 2 cups of cooked chickpeas that I'm going to toss in my mixing bowl. So we have our 2 cups of spiced chickpeas. Now I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of chili powder. So I'm just gonna sprinkle that in. I have about a teaspoon and a half of smoked paprika. And you guys could do more or less seasoning on these, just depending on how flavorful you want them. And then I have a teaspoon and a half of cumin, ground cumin seed. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Spread that out. And then I am gonna add about a half a teaspoon of salt. So now I'm just gonna stir this up, and you'll see that that olive oil really helps coat the chickpeas with the spices as well. So it kind of all sticks together. And now I'm ready to add these to my baking sheet. I'm just gonna pull this in here. I'm going to spread out my chickpeas as evenly as I can. And we're gonna bake these at about 375 for about 20 minutes or until they are completely crispy or as crispy as you want them to be, I guess. All depends on how you want it. So we will toss these in the oven. Okay, now that these are done, you can see they're crispy, they look good. I'm gonna store these in an airtight container for up to a week. Add these to any salads or bowls of your choosing. I hope you guys enjoy them. Be sure to let me know what you think in the comments. Subscribe, and I'll see you next time.